Okay, so today we're going to be talking about some sounds we already know. We know J says J and X says X. So we're going to be deciding which letter belongs with which picture. If we hear the J sound in the word, we know it's the letter J. And if we hear the X in the word, we know it's the letter X. So let's see, we have a fox. Listen to that word, fox. Do you hear the J sound in fox? No. Do you hear the X sound? Fox. I hear the X sound at the end of the word fox. So I'm going to put an X. Okay. Then we have a jar, which also has jam in it. Do those words have the J sound or the X sound? Listen again. Jar, jam. They have the J sound. What letter should I write? J. J says J. Okay, now we have a number. We all know what that number is. Let's see, what number is that? That's the number 6. Let's listen to the word 6. Do you hear the J sound in the word 6? Do you hear the X sound in the word 6? Yes, the ending sound is the X sound. Which letter should I write to make the X sound? The letter X. Good job. Okay, now we have a jacket. Let's see. Jacket. Do you hear the X sound in jacket? No. Do you hear the J sound in jacket? Yes, the first sound in jacket is the J sound. We know the letter J says J. Then we have a jet. Which letter do you hear in the word jet? Do you hear the J sound in jet? Yes, I hear the J at the beginning of the word jet. Which letter should we write to make the J sound? That's right, we need to write the letter J because J says J. Last one, I see a box. Which sound do you hear in the word box? Do you hear a J in the word box? No. Do you hear a X in the word box? Yes, again, it's the last sound in that word. So we're going to write the letter X because we hear the X sound. Great job. Okay, now we're going to switch gears a little bit. Let's talk about some words. Wow, I see a word on this page. We're going to sound it out together. Are you ready? N. I have to put those letters together, so I'm going to blend them together by squishing them. N. Faster. N. A little faster. N. Now let's put some together. Un. Fun. Did you get the word fun? Great job. Now let's play a little game. Let's change the f in fun. Let's take it out and make it a b. So let's take out the f in fun and let's make it a b. What is the new word? B. A. N. n. Did you get the word bun? Good job. Let's sound out this next one. W, e, t. Sound it out. W, e, t. All right, now we're going to blend these sounds together. Are you ready? W, e, t. Faster. W, e, t. Let's do some more. W, et. Wet. Did you get the word wet? Great! Now let's change one of these sounds. Let's take out the w in the word wet and make it a g. Now we have g, e, t. What's the new word? Did you get the word get? G, e, t. That's the word get. Let's do one more. Let's sound out this word together. B, a, d. Keep sounding it out. Did you get the word bad? Good job. Now let's change it up. Let's take out the b in this word and make it the letter s and s. What's the new word? Remember, you have to add this in the beginning. S, a, d. Sound it out. What word did we make? Did you get the word sad? Nice job. This last word, I want you to sound it out and then change our first sound into a different letter to make a new word. See if you can change some other sounds in the word to make a new word. Switching around sounds is something a big brain does. Great job with your work today, boys and girls.